So, what else are we going to talk about?
Well, we could discuss the dating habits of our flight attendants. That way we have it on the recorder, you know, in case you crash.
We gotta leave something for our wife and children to listen to.
Shoulder harness? They're on. Flaps. 1515 green light. Flight control. Tops and bottoms checked. Nav instruments. They're set. Takeoff briefing is complete. Power set. Engine instruments look good. VR. V2. Something's wrong. We can get engine failure.
We're not gonna make it! Full power up! Oh.